Hello, in this video we're going to share some tips on how to assemble these patio chairs. So let's get into it. On step 1 we have pieces 1 and 2, and for this we're going to need bolts A, and we'll just need 2 of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to lean these pieces up and put the pegs into the back of the chair. And then we'll take our bolts A and stick those into the back. Like that, and then we'll take our Allen key and tighten those the whole way. All right, and then once both of those are tight, we can move on to step 2 with pieces 3, 4, and 5. On pieces 3 and 4, you want to make sure that these grooves are facing inwards towards the seat of the chair. That way it'll line up with the pegs on these here. So you can go ahead and lift this up and put in the groove here, like that. Then we're going to grab one of our bolts A and stick it into this top hole here. That'll help it just stay in place for the next part. And once that's in a little bit, we'll go ahead and take a bolt B and the nut C, and we'll go ahead and stick the nut on the inside of this part here, and then the bolt goes in from the outside. You may have to wiggle it around a little bit to get the holes to line up properly, but then once they're lined up, it should go in. Okay, and then once the holes are lined up, you'll take one of the Allen keys on the inside for the nut, and then the other one will be on the outside, screwing it in. Then piece 5 goes here, and we'll secure it with another screw A. And we can just put that in a little bit to hold it in place. And then now we'll grab the other arm, and we'll put it on this side. Again, lining up these 2 holes here with these 2 pegs on the ends here. All right, and then now we can put in all the bolts like we did on the other side. We'll do our nut on the inside, bolt on this outside part. And then our 2 remaining screws go in these 2 holes here. And then we'll put those in all the way. Okay, and once we've tightened all of the bolts and screws, we're going to move on and put on the cushion in step 3. In step 3, we're going to put on the cushion, and for this, just make sure that these ties are at the back. And we'll go ahead and slide in the cushion here. And then tie a simple knot to the post of the chair. All right, once those are both tied, we're done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new patio chairs. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.